Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for April. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person. So feel free to switch if you want, but for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now another quick disclaimer is from this month I will also be starting a new series, so keep checking out this channel, okay? Now let's quickly see what's this month got in store for you. So what I see here for you Aries is you have the Queen of Wands, the Six of Cups and the Chariot card. Your person has the Queen of Cups, the Five of Swords and the Sun card. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, the blockage in the relationship and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the King of Wands. So I have a pair here, okay, with the King and the Queen of Wands there in the spread. Now what I'm seeing for you Aries is you have the Queen of Wands. With the Queen of Wands, you're very attractive, okay, so a lot of people fight for your attention and you know that. And you're also very good in, getting things done. Now, while you're very attractive and from outside it looks like that you have all things in place and you are in control, when you are alone, okay, you definitely remember this person and maybe at times you feel sad, maybe you just cry out because you remember the sweet times that both of you had. However, what you have also decided is that you would want to march forward with your life because maybe this person doesn't understand the kind of love that you have for them, okay, and that's why you have decided to move forward in life. This person on the other hand has the Queen of Cups. So this person loves you a lot, okay, there is a lot of love, but maybe this person did not express it in the way that you would have wanted that, okay, and that could have been because of maybe some competition, okay, or maybe some situations wherein their previous experiences could have also gone ahead and impacted this relationship, that they were not able to deliver and they were not able to go ahead and tell you things the way you would have wanted it, okay. Now I see that they have the Sun card, so that's a positive card. You can look for some change that may happen in the relationship soon. Now what I see, the mutual feeling that both of you have is the Empress card. Now that's a very positive card and a major arcana. So this person definitely understands that you are an Empress, okay, and they know that you will not take any BS, okay. If they want a relationship with you, they have to give you and treat you like an Empress. So they understand that. Now, what is the blockage in the relationship is the World card. So it could be a situation that where one person has to, end a cycle with somebody else or a situation, and till the time that is not done, they can't proceed with this particular relationship. Okay, so that's the blockage. Now, what I see the outcome of the relationship is again the Fool, which is your card, the Aries card. And with that, one or both of you will take a leap of faith and will, just jump forward and do something that will be really unpredicted, and you will not think about it. You will just go ahead and do it, okay. So that's what I see as a very good intention of this person as well. Let's take one card here to understand their intentions, okay. Let's take one card. All right, the intention here is the Two of Swords. With that, there could be some confusion that they will try to go ahead and clear. Let's take another one here. All right, that's the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is somebody who has a lot of love, okay. So this is one of those knights that you can trust, because knights normally don't stick around, but the Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles are good knights and you can trust them. Now what I see here is also the Temperance card. So yes, this person would like to have a balance in this particular relationship. If things were not in balance earlier, this person would now want to have a balance in this relationship. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Azurite. The crystal messages: do you want to improve your trust and your intuition? Activate your third eye and exercise your sensory gifts. You receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the signs, interpret them, and use the higher guidance to create ease in your life. The message here from Archangel Raziel, I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you, Aries. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe the channel. Until next time, stay safe, love yourself first.